808 YouTube. I wonder if that's her. 808 YouTube, were you here? Max out on the... Awesome. Oh. Jeez. This is seriously awesome. Should have a Kodak in. Oh, man. Wow. Whew. Better. One of the drivers out there. What do you think, Errol? How'd you like to ride? How'd you like to be in that rig that we just passed? Stream still frozen. Wait, warmer. I'll be out of California soon. Yeehaw! Ooh, that's pretty great, right? Donner Lake. I have to slow down because... is this it? I hope that wasn't it. Oh, yes. Probably was it. This looks like it could be. Yeah, I heard it. I gotta get out and get this. Oh, jeez. Oh, look at that. Aha. I just went through Donner Pass, and this here is Donner Lake.